Okay, we're about to do rope drop. They just took it down. What's the rule? I hold your hand in what?
Hand.
And if you fall, I'm dragging you. What you about to ride?
Peter Pan.
Pizza time.
Banana Queen.
Not too much of a line yet. Just open though. Can you see out there? Here we go. Let's do this bad boy. The runaway car.
Just skip through here.
Wait, what? Oh, we're gonna go right here. Whoa. You're gonna barf. Woo! Look, I'm ready by myself. All by myself. Bum bum. Barf barf.
It looks like our tea party is coming to an end. Please remain seated until your teacups stop. Follow the signs to the nearest exit. Ta-ta!
Ta-ta.
Please visit us again.
Okay, Bubba, is he ready? Oh, I see him going up there. You see him? Right now they're off. Snake. Turtle. Hey, two at a time. Two at a look at these guys. They're looking for the next meal. And if any of you were wearing hats or glasses,
Best remove them.
Want to see the hidden Mickey? I don't know if you saw it or not.
I did.
I know, me too. job, good job. And now time for Critter Country, Winnie the Pooh, and the story behind Winnie the Pooh. Oh no! Look at the mess!
Okay. We are in a little Disney store after Winnie the Pooh. You want to see? Oh, I got my little ears on. And there's some ornaments. And see over there. Yeah. No. I don't see anything.
Squishy, feel these jammies. They're squishy.
Let's see.
Oh, I want everything.
Squishy.
Where's my ears? Oh, you're wearing my ears.
Yeah.
Funny. Okay, I'm ready. You ready?
Yep.
I want everything.
Let's go out this way.
I want everything. Okay. I need to get Kyle.
It's a little mini video game.
Kyle
That's cool.
I need to get Kyle a snack, and I need to get
Okay.
Jeff something. I gotta get some stuff. Oh, we never got Jeff a postcard.
Little kids.
Not wrong. Thank you. Gotta get Kyle some candy. Oh my God.
What's that?
Okay.
Nothing?
This is part of the speech that Walt did. To all who come to this place, welcome. Excuse me, who all come to this happy place.
Some balloons. What is that? Oh, a drip of honey. Let's look at everything really close.
Look at tell them where we're at.
How you doing?
It's a little.
I feel naked without my ears.
You're naked. You're just a plain old girl,
Just a plain old girl.
and I'm
I'm
not.
a plain old girl. You want a plain old penny?
No. Oh yeah. Ooh, find the penny, pick it up. We're gonna have a look. Yeah. Put him on his fanny pack. Get my penny holder. Yay. Some treats. Some treats.
Should we get something for our dog?
We don't have a dog.
Oh, maybe we should get a dog first. No chocolate
Wow.
caramels.
This is the best day of the video.
Okay. We're in the shop outside Winnie the Pooh, so there's the Tigger tails. Look at she's making. What do we have? Liza. Okay, so she takes the marshmallow, look at, and she dips it in the giant vat of caramel.
Wow.
Shake it off. And then she comes over here. Look at, she picks it up and puts it in the, what is this? Is that looks like, is that caramel scrape or is that chocolate? Is that chocolate?
Maybe it's called a fuddy.
Come here. That looks like milk chocolate and that looks like dark chocolate.
Ew.
Now I like dark chocolate if it's on mint or pretzels.
I only like it if it has a little blueberry inside.
A blueberry. You've had dark chocolate blueberries? You have? Look at, and then they're drying here. Look at, then she dips it.
Whoa.
Wow.
And then what is the top?
Huh? Oh, look at, and then she's doing the straight. Oh, she's doing the mini peanut butter things. Not peanut butter, Rice Krispie. Look, come here, look. She's doing the crispy and she's putting the bow on the crispy over there. You see that?
Whoa.
Wow.
Guys, look.
She's dipping it right
Pew,
there.
pew, pew,
Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
pew, pew.
Pew, pew. I'm gonna get this. Thank you. Okay. Oh, it's so cute in here. I'm gonna get I got the wrong one. I'm gonna get this for my friend for his birthday, for Jeff, for his birthday.
Yummy. This is for Kyle?
I think that's for us. We'll find something else for Kyle in Candy Palace. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, because I don't want it to melt. All right, let's go get this stuff. I want this. I want to put this on my hot chocolate. My hot chocolate. How much is this? I think I might rather have a Mickey Mouse one. Aw, you'll love this probably. So cute. I want that. I love that everything is this lumberjack flannel color. Those things are gigantic. That's like as big as my face. That's what Kyle loved, and I think that's what Kyle's gonna get this time.
Yeah.
And then they're making tiger tails over there in the window. Look at this one's covered in chocolate and candy cane. Oh. I know it's not peanut butter, but it sure looks like it. Oh, how good is that? Look, it's supposed to be gingerbread. I think it's dipped in sugar. Look at that. Merry Christmas, Riley. Okay, we're walking right past Rise of the Resistance. And guess what time it is? I'll get it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Here's your cargo slip.
Thank you.
Safe travels
Till the spire.
to the spot.
Cheers. Now you remember what it tastes like? What do I hear? Ah, yes. Move along. Uh-oh.
You drink more than me.
That'll be you in about 2 hours.
I didn't know this was gonna have like little chunks in it.
Mine's
It's
green.
like icy. Huh?
I'm the best. I win.
I win. We both.
Oh, I have Yoda green.
And how about this? We win. We're the best. Instead of I.
Don't spill it. Where are you, Babs? Riley, where are you? Riley. Oh,
No.
that's good.
Cheers.
Welcome, citizens. We have an expedition put on by this young explorer. Carry on, travelers. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
We're tracking possible alien spies. Looks like you found them first. Good work, Cooper. Maybe you with him.